Here's a street rod to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. And yes, I said street rod. It's a 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. It's been street rodded. First of all, power plant in this thing has a 1,650 cc horizontal 4 air-cooled engine. It does have larger dual port heads, a dual carb setup, 4-speed manual transmission. There's actually less than 600 miles in this since it's been built. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front end, and you'll be able to see the underside pictures. You get a little bit better view of it. But this does have a drop axle and 1940 Ford brakes. It's a cool setup up here. And again, in the still pictures down below, facing upward, you'll be able to see that better. Coca radial tires. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, and check that out. So an old school spoked wheel, VW center caps. As far as the vents on this hood, the engine cover, and the glove box, those are all hand stamped. Beautiful color on it with this kind of deep Merlot or burgundy color, the cream colored spoke wheels, some chrome accents. Interior also has been redone. Bucket seats, seat belts, front and rear. There's the vented glove box. Again, that was hand stamped, 4-speed manual. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look underneath the engine compartment here. Speaking of which, coming around to the rear, you can see some hand painted pinstriping done on this by Ike. A dual exhaust setup coming out the rear. A lot of custom work done to this. Something else you're going to notice. So it's a 1970, but guess what? It has a 57 roof with oval window. How cool is that? And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see paint shows well. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. If you like unique vehicles, no pun intended, street rods, Volkswagens, really any type of vehicle with an engine and 4 wheels, sometimes 3 wheels, sometimes 2. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see vinyl seats, nice shape, no rips, tears, holes. You'll get a good look from every angle of the interior in the still picture. Headliner, good shape. Nice and clean and simple in here. Little gauge cluster with a fuel gauge and oil pressure. Then of course, tack down here, your speedometer and odometer. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's the miles since built, 584.1. Mentioned that vented glove box, a little more hand pinstriping, Volkswagen logo. Nice throttle response. Tachometer is working, as well as oil pressure gauge and fuel gauge. Man, that door closes nice. Let's come around to the back so you can hear it. 1,650 cc horizontal 4 air-cooled engine with larger dual port heads, dual carb setup. How good does that look? running smooth. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I don't think you're going to run across one just like it. It's a street-rotted 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. A little different, a fenderless Beetle for kind of that salt flat racer street rod look. Some oversized tires. A very cool look. Nicely done in burgundy and beige. Our speedometer's working, our oil pressure is showing about 45 when you're going down the road. She gets up to over 70, so that's good. The fuel gauge shows a half of a tank. Just below that speedometer, or inside of it, you might say, is the tachometer. That needle is also moving. You'd think Beetles are really tiny, but I'm 6'1" and I have headroom. I have plenty of headroom and enough legroom as well to make it easy to drive and fun to drive. Let's pick a gear here. How about second? Each car is a little different on where it wants to be for a traffic circle and the RPMs. This one likes second gear. Very responsive steering. A little bit of wind whistling from the wing window on the front, but hey, we have wing windows. You can ventilate easily for a comfortable atmosphere in this car. The wipers do work, but they return home right there currently. Very fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this Volkswagen open wheel car at UniqueClassicCars.com.